Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back at it again with another brand new video, and for today's video I am going to be fixing up this Seth Rollins elite figure. As you guys can see, the peg has fallen off from the head, so I might have to heat it up and re-put the thing back. But other than that, I would like to put this head back on top of this elite figure. As you guys can see, this head looks really bad, and I would like to swap this head. This is like the one of the newer basic figures, so the head of this really comes off easily. So here it is, so I can put this back. So I would like to switch this head back to this figure, so for that I have to remove this peg. So to start that, I have to heat up this figure body and open this torso. So this is the hot boiling water, and I'm gonna put this top of the body in this boiling water and let it soak. And also I have to put this head because I have to take that part out from his head, so let it be there. These are the other two figures that I recently customized. This is the Roman Reigns Wolverine, and also I did this Deadpool Rey Mysterio, you guys can see. And I haven't posted a video for this customization or anything, but if you guys want to see any of this custom video, let me know in comments as well. Let me put them back. This is right here. I'm gonna start working on it, detach it, and show you guys soon. So here it is. After heating it up, I was successfully able to take the top torso off without damaging any of the piece. As you guys can see, there is no stretch mark or anything such. And I was also able to take out the headpiece off from this, so now we will be able to switch this head on that headpiece. So let's put this whole piece together and assemble it back on this figure. So here it is. We have put the torso back. As you guys can see, a little bit gap on the side, you guys can see, but I haven't put like any super glue or something, so that's why like it has. But other than that, this figure is fixed now, and we can use this head that we were gonna use and swap it up to him. And let's see. Okay, so here it is. So this figure now looks really nice, and it is a elite figure now. So you guys can see, this was the head before, that really wasn't that great, but now with this head and that everything, we have got ourselves a new elite figure with the head swap, and this figure actually looks really nice. So let me know in comments, guys, what we should do next. This video helped you in any way, let me know in comments. And if you guys like this video, make sure you drop a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We have a giveaway going on as well, where we are giving away this 2K Iron Man Funko Pop Gameverse. So let's get to 1000 subscribers, and one of you guys are gonna get chance to win this. So subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next. Peace out.